I'm the genius Asian. Welcome to the genius family.
Glasses often fog up in winter, so in this 2-minute video, I'm going to show you my genius way to deal with this problem. Put tape on the outside of the mask. Fold the exposed tape onto itself so that there is no longer a sticky side exposed. Bend and crease the tape so that the mask and the tape form a right angle. Put on your mask. Remember, for right now, we have only put tape on the one side. Put on your glasses, tuck the mask under the glasses. Blow air into the mask. You can compare to see which side is fogged up. See, this side is fogged up, but this side, the one with the tape, is clear. The reason this method works is because the airflow over the center of the lens is redirected to the sides. To suit more diverse situations, we will design the other lens differently so that you may switch which eye you are relying on depending on which method is working better. Use a piece of tape to dab the frame. This cleans out oil or dirt on the frame. Then place the tape on the edge of the frame. Fold the exposed tape so that it is no longer sticky. The lens and the tape form a right angle. Blow air into the mask. You can compare to see which side is fogged up. This method can create a chimney effect, moving air quickly to the top, reducing fog. Notice the lenses are on top of the mask. For some people, after a while, the mask may move lower. Thus, the lenses and mask may no longer overlap. So if the lens and mask do not overlap, this tape will block the air so that the air will go over the outer side of the lens instead of going on the inner side of the lens. When the lens and mask do not overlap, both methods may reduce fog, so just use whichever lens is clearer. If during usage it is fogged up, you can place your fingers over the lens to block airflow to see if it is the outward side fogged up or the inward side that is fogged up, so that you may make adjustments. It is easy to wipe the outside of the lens to clear the view. Note that people all have different masks, different glasses, different faces, different moisture and temperature levels. The high number of variables makes a single exact solution very difficult. Both of these methods can alter the normal flow of air, but neither method can seal it completely. By doing a number of trials using these ideas and materials, you definitely can at least reduce the problem. Some suggest using various chemicals on the lenses. Common household soap is one. Let's do an experiment. Rinse and put soap on one lens. Wash. Note, we only wash this one side. Rinse and dry. We mark the left side as washed. We blow air on both the washed side and the unwashed side. You can see that they both still fog up. Soap may alter the surface tension of a single droplet and change its shape. However, since there are so many droplets, it may not be effective and may not last long. My invention always works. There are suggestions of inserting Kleenex or some other fabric into the mask. My worry is that they may prevent the mask from sealing properly. My invention has no effect on the mask. I also would like to note that tightening the strap to seal the top of the mask better may reduce fogging. We have also demonstrated 6 different ways to wear masks without sore ears. Here is one example. To seal this face mask better, you can make knots in the ear loops to shorten them. This is fine for a short period, but over long hours, it will hurt your ears. I will show you a few different ways to make it more comfortable, using simple, commonly available household items. 1. This is a paper clip. Use pliers to bend one end 180 degrees to make a hook. You attach one ear loop to the paper clip and attach the other over the hook. The loops go around the back of your head instead of rubbing and pulling on your ear. With paper clips, you can still make knots to adjust the length. Please leave comments below about the reasons or situations in which your glasses fog up and/or which method worked best for you. This may inspire other people to quickly find solutions for their problems because, as we said before, there are many variables, so there is no uniform solution.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.